The farm is a very quiet place. You can hear the wind blow, birds sing their sweet songs. The sun shines bright and warm. Life here is slow and good. It is a peaceful place to be. We look at farming. Farming is old work. It has been done for many years. People work with the earth. They plant small seeds in the ground. They watch the seeds grow big. This work is important for all. It brings food to our tables. Farming connects us to the land. Imagine a big green field. The sun wakes up in the morning. No loud city noises are here. Only the sounds of nature live here. A gentle breeze touches your face. This is the start of a farm day. The peace of the farm helps us. Watching plants grow is nice. The earth gives us good things. We must care for the earth well. Farming teaches us to be patient. Harvest time is full of color. The fields change their dress. Green leaves turn to gold. Red apples hang on the trees. Orange pumpkins sit on the ground. Yellow corn stands tall and ready. The colors are bright and happy. They tell us food is here. Look at the ripe red tomatoes. They are shiny in the warm sun. Grapes hang in big purple groups. They look like sweet jewels. Carrots are orange under the soil. We pull them out to see them. Each vegetable has its own color. The farm is like a painter's dream. So many colors make us smile. The farmer walks in the field. The farmer sees all the colors. Golden wheat moves in the wind. It looks like a yellow sea. Sunflowers turn their big faces. They follow the bright sun. The colors mean the work was good. The plants grew strong and well. It is a happy sight for everyone. Farming is also about feelings. Not just feelings in your heart. It is about how things feel. Feel the soft, loose soil. It runs through your fingers. It smells earthy and good. Feel the round, smooth seeds. They are small in your hand. They hold a lot of life. Feel the cool morning dew. It is on the green leaves. It feels fresh on your skin. Feel the warm sun on your back. It helps the plants to grow. Feel the rough bark of a tree. The tree is old and strong. It has seen many seasons pass. When you pick a ripe fruit, feel its weight in your hand. A red apple feels firm and cool. A soft peach feels a bit fuzzy. The skin of a tomato is smooth, pulling a carrot from the earth. You feel a little tug, then it is free. These feelings connect us to food. It is a real and good connection. The farm has its own music. Listen to the sounds of plowing. A big tractor makes a low sound. It rumbles deep in the chest. The engine works hard and steady. The tractor moves slowly in the field. It pulls the heavy plow behind. This sound means new work begins. The plow cuts into the earth. It makes a soft, tearing sound. The soil turns over in long lines. You hear the earth sigh a little. The metal blades slide through dirt. Sometimes they hit a small stone. The stone makes a little clink. These sounds are part of the land. They tell a story of change. Birds might fly down to the fresh soil. They look for worms and little bugs. You can hear their happy chirps. The farmer listens to these sounds. The sounds tell the farmer things. They tell if the soil is good, if it is wet, or if it is dry. The sounds of plowing are useful. They are the first notes of a new song. Planting seeds is quiet work. The farmer makes small holes or long, straight lines in the soil. Tiny seeds drop in gently. One by one, they find their place. The soil covers them like a blanket. It is a soft, careful action. There is not much sound now, just the whisper of moving hands. The seeds rest in the dark earth. They drink the rainwater. The warm sun helps them too. Slowly, something starts to happen. A tiny sprout pushes up. It is very small and green. This is a quiet, magic moment. Life begins from a small seed. It is a wonder to see this. Day by day, the sprouts grow. You cannot hear them grow, but you can see them get bigger. More green leaves will open. The stems get taller and stronger. The field starts to look green. This change is slow and steady. It needs patience to watch. The farmer waits and cares for them. When crops are ready, new sounds come. The sound of cutting is clear. For wheat or hay, big machines move. They have sharp blades that spin. The blades make a whirring sound. Swish, swish, the tall plants fall. It is a busy, working sound. The machines gather the cut plants. This sound means food is coming. Sometimes cutting is done by hand. A farmer uses a sharp knife or a tool called a scythe. The scythe makes a sweeping sound, shh, as it cuts the stems. This sound is quieter, more personal. You hear the plants rustle and fall. The farmer breathes with the work. It is a rhythm, a steady pace. For vegetables, the sounds are smaller. The snap of a bean picked from a plant. The soft thud of a tomato in a basket. The crisp break of a lettuce leaf. These are small, satisfying sounds. Each sound means one more piece of food, one more gift from the good earth. The basket gets fuller and fuller. Before the harvest, fields are full. They're covered with green plants, or maybe golden yellow plants. The plants stand tall and thick. They wave gently in the wind. It looks like a soft, living carpet. The air smells sweet and fresh. The promise of food is everywhere. The land looks rich and alive. After the harvest, the fields change. They look empty for a little while. The tall plants are now gone. The soil is bare in some places, or short stalks are left behind. It is a different kind of beauty, a beauty of work done well. The land has given its gift. It is ready to rest now. This change shows the cycle of life, from empty field to full growth, then back to an emptier field. But it is not truly empty. The goodness has been taken in. It will feed people and animals. The soil still holds life. It will be ready for next year. The farmer's work follows a rhythm. It is like a slow, steady dance. Plowing, planting, caring, harvesting. Each step comes at the right time. The farmer knows the seasons. The farmer knows the land. This rhythm is peaceful to watch. It is a life of purpose, working with nature, not against it. Farm machines help with the work. Tractors make a steady hum. Harvesters make a busy sound. These sounds are part of the farm. They are not angry, loud noises. They are sounds of useful work. The machines move with a purpose. They help the farmer do big jobs. They have their own steady beat. The farmer's hands are important. They touch the soil and plants. They guide the tools and machines. They are gentle with young sprouts. They are strong for heavy work. The farmer's care is in every touch. This care helps the plants grow. It makes the food taste better. We hope you liked these farm scenes. The quiet fields and busy harvests, the colors, sounds, and feelings. Farming is a world of wonder. It is full of simple joys. The joy of watching things grow. The joy of fresh, good food. The peace of the working land. It is a life close to the earth. Maybe you have farm memories. Perhaps you visited a farm or you have a small garden. What do you like about farms? What sounds do you remember? What colors did you see? How did the earth feel? These stories are good to share. They help us all feel connected. We love to hear about your farm joys. Please share your favorite farm experiences.